Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to jumpstart a Dodge Caravan. First, prioritize safety by wearing protective gear like safety glasses and gloves. Make sure both the dead Caravan and the assisting vehicle are completely turned off. Park the working vehicle close enough for the cables to reach, but ensure the vehicles do not touch each other. This prevents accidental shorts and ensures a safe jumpstart. Now, let's connect the jumper cables. Take one red positive cable clamp and attach it firmly to the positive terminal of your Dodge Caravan's dead battery. Next, connect the other end of that same red cable to the positive terminal of the assisting vehicle's good battery. Then, attach one black negative cable clamp to the negative terminal of the good battery. For the final connection, attach the remaining black negative cable clamp to an unpainted metal surface on your Dodge Caravan away from the battery. This creates a good ground. Now, start the assisting vehicle and let it run for about 5 minutes to charge the dead battery. After this brief charging period, try to start your Dodge Caravan. If it starts, let it run for 15 minutes. If your Dodge Caravan doesn't start on the first try, recheck all your cable connections to ensure they are secure and correctly placed, then try again. Once your Caravan is running, carefully remove the jumper cables in the reverse order of connection. First, the negative cable from the Caravan, then from the assisting vehicle. Next, remove the positive cable from the assisting vehicle, and finally from your Caravan. Remember to check the description for a great deal on the new Kindle Paperwhite, as well as other helpful resources.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.